So what is Zybar? Well, I'll let you know now. Typically we're used to getting headers ceramic coated, right? And ceramic coating typically turns gray and it doesn't really withstand the abuse of the elements within an engine bay. Here we have a recently sandblasted hooker header. This is for an LS motor. And over here is what we ordered from Summit. Now, when they come from Summit, unfortunately, the coating that is used is substandard. As you can see, it's already oxidizing, and this is right out of the box. So I called Summit. They said that's how it comes from Holley, and they've had a lot of complaints regarding that. So we're gonna adapt and overcome and make this situation better. And we've sourced a product called Zybar. Now, what is Zybar? Zybar is a manifold and exhaust coating. It creates a barrier that holds up to 2,000 degrees, reduces radiant heat by about 90%, which in turn might even help a little bit of horsepower, which we all like. It's a weightless product, and it protects against corrosion and keeps the exhaust looking good, which is important. So what we're gonna do is there's a certain way to prep the surface that you're gonna spray this Zybar onto. Now in the instructions, it tells very detailed instructions, about 4 pages. Very important that you read it. There's a certain grit of aluminum oxide you wanna use at a certain PSI to make sure you etch the header properly, because your product will be as good as your prep, okay? And this one we have not sandblasted, so we're gonna throw that in there in the sandblaster and take care of that. Another unique thing about this is that you can actually coat the inside of your headers too. They recommend taping off all the ports of exit and just go ahead and leave one side open, and you pour it in through there, and you turn it around evenly into all areas, at least you believe all areas are covered, then you pour it back out. Don't recycle that, because that can be contaminated, but you can use it for your other header. Don't put it back in the can. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is sandblast that, come back, coat our headers, and tell you what to do next.